Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute lollipop. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page and we're going to start by drawing a big circle all the way around. Now take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. All the way around. And this is going to be the candy part that makes the lollipop. All the way around. And back to where we started. Like that. Okay, let's do a cute face on this lollipop. So we're going to do two eyes. One right here. And this is just a circle right here. And then we're going to do a circle on the other side right here. For the other eye. And let's do some smaller circles inside that circle for the highlights. We'll do one like that and then a smaller one. And then we'll do one like this and then a smaller one. And let's color those in black. And maybe we give this lollipop some eyelashes coming off to make it extra cute. And then in the middle, let's do a smiley face. So just a U shape like this. All right, now let's draw the stick coming out that you hold your lollipop with. And maybe we'll put a bow on it too. So let's just, at the bottom, we'll do two lines coming down like this. And then let's draw a circle connected to those two lines like this. And now we'll draw the bow. So on this side, it's kind of like a triangle with soft corners or edges. And then it comes back and connects to the circle, and we'll do the same on the other side. Down, and then back around and connect it. And we'll do a couple of lines of where you tie the bow tie. And now let's draw the ribbon on the bow tie. So right here we'll do a little straight line, straight line, straight line, back, straight line, and back. And now let's finish the stick off. Just a straight line all the way down, not to the bottom, but almost to the bottom of your page, and then stop and curve it off for the bottom of the lollipop stick. And then we're going to go back up and keep that line, try to keep that line parallel with the one you just drew. Up. And stop. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm going to make my lollipop red, but you can make yours any flavor you want or any color you want. And maybe I'll do a highlight on top here, make it a real shiny lollipop. A blue bow, and for the stick, maybe just a little bit of a gray on the side to give it a little bit of shape. You know what? I think I'm going to do some polka dots on my bow tie. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.